How to fix a player that your platform denies error in Modern Warfare 2. 1. Quit the game and reboot your device or console. Plan B, leave current lobby, recreate another, customized lobby. 2. Update the MW2 game on your device or console. 3. Join the Modern Warfare 2 Trello board at https://trello.com/b/mcqzsc7d/modern-warfare-2-infinity-ward. And contact Activision support team. 4. Xbox users, temporarily leave the year party and move to MW2 channel. 5. Update the game in time, always.